Jusem at Asante Kotoko. Juju o Kotoko ana se Juju indi Kotoko. Players ni ba say Kotoko players no man kasa players no. Among them no bebrina etu nduro pa against oman kasa ho. Pacho dwuma do betumi a share, betumi so a follow, betumi so subscribe, wo comment, betumi na ba comment section honom. No wa boni etimi agro this channel. Pacho sa issue about out say players ni ba na no omo interview Walid Hussein name ane Emmanuel Kote no on pacho say juju ewo Kotoko pa among the players no omo to omo hu ndro ibi wa hwe na obi bi ayira obepa unhunu na obi ede afa baabi nyina go against them enunti another player according to report no patch say another player ba ko ka say ni bibi ayira it is not easy ni bibi ayira nti na eya kamera say the colleagues ni bi na bia o mafa e dia ko bibi e dia tia no iti me beginning na me na manage hu senka boys no komu na be one place e be ya e hia o ma betimi aka do mountain but from the look of things and some are metiti efrin some of the players ni bi ho no patch say that idea and say ye be mo na wo clubhouse and say one place no gidi say I do time I was say say man panifu twam because of the juju sem so on say me say player bi ni player bi able one position na all the time no other one enya bi mu a adwenbone woni patrimu adwenbone e woni patrim obetimi ayi bibi e de atie ono ankasa ni colleague se be ya nipa ni bepira na ono menya kwa babo no na nkampese omunyina akohia o one place abe easy amano because players ni bi wo hono ma meka say ya mana akwankyere se wonye nti akwankyere na wonye no na se ebi ahomache be 12 ahomache be 2 na e de amana se onye akwankyere na se bi a enye adeboni so na ebi other players bi free baby ana se player ni bi sorry na so obehu se ebi asumasi ye nyankoma de bi wo compound hono ma ebe cause a whole lot of problems ama players because ebi anya de bone because players no majority na obia ne de bi okobo no ho ban ana omo so akwankyere so part of their omoye no mudwuma no akwankyere ka ho bi enti se ekoba se distance no it is happening in Asante Kotoko na se omunyina one place cause troubles ma players na say de omanga say to jan patch say no juju some players maybe juju etia omanga sa ho say na no player ba ku bi gira o hwe sa wo hu no no ankasa ne colleague on da edan ba kum na akofra ne mam say no intentionally and I say bia je say bia well who and be friend ne mam de nobody knows but all these things can be avoided nti the humbe yan say e was say ye pe omankasa obi ankasa epenedan no obi ankasa live say the sipe ne life and so e wono we ni ade a was say Kotoko penifo no ehwe ho asam kan say juju sem no sa ne mo ye TV wo Kotoko na nyene say prayer no etu enuro tete omo ho no ache ene ne so this issue as apie eti adu time sa clubhouse and some na say benefit twam tinton time no obi akofene dan trem yes that's how it's supposed to be you know some Kotoko no something else okay mediana na poko betimi share betimi so follow o comment section makramo papa